How to fix Instagram can't delete account. So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram cannot delete account. So to fix issues deleting your Instagram account, just go to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then go directly to the Instagram delete your account page. Now tap on the website and follow the on-screen prompts. Now, if you are using the mobile app or still facing issues, you're probably looking in the wrong menu. Just go to your Instagram app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu and select Account Center. Then tap on Manage Accounts. Then choose the account which you want to delete. Then go for the deactivation or deletion. Then follow the on-screen prompts. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.